Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video we're going to do our review of this garden hose quick connect or quick coupler set from Harbor Freight. The item number is 62615. So this is your 6-piece garden hose quick coupler set from Harbor Freight. Now in the packaging you might say, hey Munchie, I only see 4 pieces. Well, the reason for that is this is screwed in, so all you have to do is unscrew this, and here it is. You now have 2 pieces, so these 2 will open up like so, and you will eventually have 6 pieces. So this is the piece which goes onto your spigot, and it does have a washer on the inside, so you put it on like so. Now this other piece over here of this quick connect from Harbor Freight goes into your garden hose other end, and as you can see I do have a washer over here, so all you have to do is pop it in and screw it in place. Now once you've set that up, all you need to do is slide this ring down and then pop in the other side. So slide it down or backwards, pop this in, and then everything will lock into place. So now that we've done an unboxing of this quick connect garden hose adapter set from Harbor Freight, let us do the actual review and see how it works. So here it is on your screen. You can see that I have it connected to my garden hose sprayer, and there is a leak at the bottom even though the garden hose sprayer is running, and that is because of a design flaw. This specific piece over here needs to have an o-ring or a washer around it to prevent this water leak, and this is going to happen irrespective of the fact whether your garden hose sprayer has a washer over there in the inside of it or not. Same thing is going to apply if you're going to use your pressure washer to wash your car or your driveway and you plan on using this Harbor Freight quick connect set. Now in this next clip you will notice that as soon as I turn on my garden hose sprayer, the leak at the spigot stops, but the leak at the bottom of the garden hose sprayer is still there, as you can see in the video right now, and again that is a design flaw. As soon as I turn off my garden hose sprayer, the leak at the spigot also starts again. At this point you have leak at the bottom of the garden hose sprayer and at the spigot as well, all because one of the parts is missing a very important o-ring. So in my personal opinion, this quick connect garden hose set from Harbor Freight is a no-go because of all the leaks. And then another frustrating part about this Harbor Freight garden hose quick connect set is that to disconnect it you have to actually pull the ring back, and it does not stay back. In other quick connect sets which I have, that ring stays back, and when you connect your garden hose or your garden hose sprayer for the next time, all you have to do is pop it in and the ring snaps forward. But in this one you have to repeat the process every time, so that is another frustrating thing with this Harbor Freight quick connect garden hose set.